Most people buy a new TV, plug it in, and never change a single setting. That is the biggest mistake. In the next few minutes, I will show you what settings Americans actually change on a new TV and why these changes instantly improve picture, sound, and performance. Now let us start, step by step, like a professional technician. First, picture mode. Americans almost never use vivid mode. They usually change it to movie mode, cinema mode, or filmmaker mode. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to picture mode. Vivid mode boosts brightness and color, but it kills accuracy and eye comfort. Movie or filmmaker mode gives natural skin tones and correct contrast. Second, motion smoothing. This is one of the most changed settings in the United States. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to motion settings. Turn motion smoothing off. This feature causes the soap opera effect. Movies start looking fake and unnatural. Americans watching Netflix, Prime Video, or Blu-ray almost always disable this. Third, brightness and energy saving. Many TVs come with power saving turned on by default. Go to settings, then go to system, then go to power saving. Turn power saving off. Power saving limits brightness and makes HDR look dull. After that, adjust backlight or OLED light manually for your room. Fourth, color temperature. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to color temperature. Change it to warm or warm 1. Cool mode looks blue and unnatural. Warm mode matches professional studio calibration used in the US. Fifth, sharpness. Most Americans reduce sharpness, not increase it. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to sharpness. Set it close to 0 or very low. High sharpness adds fake edges and noise. Sixth, sound output. Built-in TV speakers are rarely trusted. Go to settings, then go to sound, then go to audio output. Set it to HDMI ARC or optical if using a soundbar. If using TV speakers, turn off virtual surround for clearer dialogue. Seventh, Wi-Fi settings. Americans usually switch to faster bands. Go to settings, then go to network, then go to Wi-Fi. Choose 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz if available. This improves streaming stability and reduces buffering. Finally, automatic updates and privacy. Go to settings, then go to support, then go to software update. Enable updates, but review privacy options carefully. Many Americans turn off ad tracking and voice data collection. These simple changes are real, tested, and commonly used across American US homes. Apply them once, and your TV will look and sound dramatically better. This is Tech Vibes. If this helped you, you already know what to do.